Have you ever wondered what happens to your Python scripts when you run them without a terminal window? It's a curious situation, and today we're diving into the world of standard streams in Python to uncover the mystery. I totally get it. It can be confusing when you click on an executable script and see a pop-up window instead of the usual terminal. You're not alone in this. Many users have faced similar questions about how Python handles standard streams without a visible console. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. A user asked, what are the standard streams if there's no terminal window open for the Python interpreter? They shared their experience with an executable Python script and the unexpected behavior they encountered. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what exactly are standard streams? In Python, these are sys.stdin, sys.stout, but when you run a script without a terminal, it raises an interesting question. Where are these streams directed? Let's break it down. And stick around. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how Python handles standard streams, even without a terminal window. Plus, I have a fun fact that you won't want to miss. To understand the standard streams when running a Python script without a terminal, the user should first recognize that these streams are still available, even if they are not visible. This is because the operating system provides a way to handle these streams in the background. Next, the user should note that when a Python script is executed by clicking on it, the graphical user interface creates a hidden console. This console allows the script to access standard input, output, and error streams. The user can verify this by running a simple script that prints the standard streams to a file. In the example provided, the script writes the details of sys.stdout, sys.stdin, and sys.stderr to an output file. Finally, the user should remember that the behavior may vary between operating systems. For instance, running a script with the p/w extension on Windows does not show a console, yet the standard streams are still accessible. Here's a fun fact. Did you know that Python scripts can run in different environments and the behavior of standard streams can vary? It's like a magic trick. Sometimes they appear and sometimes they don't. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user explains that the availability of standard streams in Python is not just a Python issue, but depends on how the process is spawned by the parent application. They note that different environments like GNOME or KDE may handle this differently. They provide a code example that checks the status of standard streams and uses the lsoff command to list open files for the Python process, helping to identify where the output is going. Now, let's address the confusion around the pyw files in Windows. These files are associated with pythonw.exe, which is designed to run scripts without a console. But as our user discovered, standard streams can still be accessed. And there you have it. You've learned how Python handles standard streams, even when there's no terminal window open. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more insights and tips on Python programming.